here's the thing. I went to the bike park this weekend and my thighs are pretty sore because I'm a bit rusty. I've been riding the road bike and cross country for all season. I haven't been to the park since about last year. Anyway, I thought it was time for me to get back to the park. So I headed over to Mountain Creek, and a year to the day, I went there last year to celebrate my man Marvin's birthday. So shout out to Marvin, happy birthday my dude. Big up yourself on your Earth Strong. So yeah, went up to Mountain Creek, and my goal was to link Jeff, Toogy Howser mountain bike, and also just to get in some fun times. If you're new to this channel, I do a few things. I highlight my community, I ride local trails, I ride park, I race cross country, and just ride my bike. Have fun, being excited about life. So this is the first edit for me going to Mountain Creek, and I have a few more edits to come out with me doing some follow cam of Jeff with my man Clay. So it was a fun day. When I got to the parking lot at Mountain Creek, I was getting set up. I was a little later than I had planned, but still got there safe. And parked right next to me was this dude, and I checked over while he was getting set up, and you know, he had the real free ride gear on. So he had his neck brace on, chest protector, full face, downhill bike from on the back, looked like a real trail weapon, if you know what I mean. Mountain bikers know what I mean. And he was full on. We introduced, we had a conversation. Turns out it was Brendan. And Brendan is one of the founder, if not the founder, of Free Ride Junkies. And you know, it's great when you meet people from the community that knows this person, that knows that person. And it turns out Free Ride Junkies was also the crew, or is also the crew, that Vinny is part of. And if you remember Vinny from my man CTTNA's video, I'll put a link up here or the link in the description. And in my progression video, he was a good dude. We met one day and he was just giving us some jump lessons on the Gronk at Thunder Mountain last year. So this year, I pull up next to a dude and he's like, yo, you know, part of this crew called Free Ride Junkies, we got a Facebook page. I'm like, yo, I heard of that. That sounds like, I think I heard of that from Vinny. He's like, yeah, he's in the crew. I was like, yo, that's definitely what's up. Good to meet you, dude. Brendan, I wish I had my camera on at the time we were having the conversation. Brendan was so positive. Yo, his vibes, his stoke was way up here. And it was just one of those opportunities when you meet someone who's about the same thing you're about, and it was just a real connect and it was a real link. So yo, my dude, it was a pleasure meeting with you, and I love the positivity. That's right, mountain biking, there is some risk, but we protect ourselves and we go out and we have fun. So this edit is an edit of me warming up. It was a bit rusty, so I was trying to warm up, and I warmed up on the blue trail. So that was an interesting choice because there are plenty of fun greens there. So I do a few things on this channel. If you like the downhill video, write in the comment section downhill. If you like all mountain biking, write in the comment section all. If you like all mountain, if you want to see local trails, tell me what you like. Oh, and before I go, I also need to shout out my man Steve. He's trying to get me into cyclocross, him and Meg. But I'm gonna hold off on that for a minute. But I'm shouting him out because he won his race. I think he's in the over 50 Cat 1. I'll show it on the screen. But I'm real proud because Steve trains hard. He puts in the time in the saddle, and he's seeing the results, and he's out there having fun. So yeah, he's doing a cyclocross thing, and congrats on that. Enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. Be safe, ride well. Peace. Here we are, Mountain Creek, October 2019. top of the lift. All right, Mountain Creek. We're gonna hit Damboo and then, well, we'll hit Breakout then Damboo. Let's get the warm up in, loosen up. First run of the day, take it easy, warm up. Woo. All right, let's hit Breakout. Whew.
Going.
Good, how are you?
Wow, good, man. You're all geared up. The camera even, jeez.
Got the GoPro going.
Look at that thing.
Trying to be safe.
Yeah. So that
It's a GoPro gimbal.
really? So that like turns and stuff, or it keeps its
Keep the horizon so when the shot comes out balanced.
That's awesome.
I'll see you at the bottom.
Yeah, enjoy. Have a good run.
Woo! Squirrel! Ugh. It's been a year since I've been on the mountain. Been doing a lot of cross country. Whew. A lot of braking, Sam. First run. Heck of a way to warm up. Oh. Whew. Huh. Gotta work on that.